In this video, we can see how a chiropractic adjustment can assist the tremor mechanism to move through the body during the TRE process. Okay, so I'm in a sense inhibiting it from its free movement. What I'm trying to do is talk to it to say, take all this movement you've got here and go up the structure with it. His sacrum moves differently right there. See that? A little bit of hip movement.
I would go like right in mid-thoracic.
Yeah,
Mid and
okay.
upper thoracic.
Great. All right. So do you have an idea of how to
I can
adjust
do
it?
that without
Can you-
moving in too much, actually.
Yeah, okay, let's do that. So we're going to do a chiropractic adjustment on you, okay? And then we're going to be able to see, did the tremor mechanism change? See what you did there? How cool is that? So now we got a little bit of thoracic stuff. That was from releasing the vertebrae.
Yeah, just like
Exactly. Perfect.
the hand there.
Now, that's a great example of how the tremor mechanism can help the spinal column. You see that? We did nothing and we let that tremor mechanism do the work, and then all of a sudden the adjustment is simple. That was wonderful.
Was it?
That was right.
Yeah.
It was just where you had your hand. Yeah, now it feels better.
Yeah, look at this. I mean, that's just beautiful now.